Hello, this is Jenny to show how to view in 3D. For viewing, you just need your fingers. With one finger, you can rotate the camera view. It's orbiting. As we are going to draw in 3D, it's important to get to the side view, top view, or front and rear view. Just double tap, tap with one finger and it gets you there. And with two fingers, you can move the view. As you might already know, pinch two fingers to zoom in and out. One more left. You can also use three fingers. Slide with three fingers and change the field of view. Just to shortly mention, the field of view makes the drawing look more exaggerated or flat. Double tap with three fingers and make the view orthogonal. Double tap again and you get back to the perspective view. So keep in mind all these gestures since we have to use them always while drawing. Thank you for watching the video and please follow us for more tips and news about Feather. See you!